Hi, good morning everyone. In previous class, we were discussing backpropagation learning in multi-layer perceptron weight updation rule at the k minus 2 hidden layer. Now let us generalize it for any hidden layer that ranges between layer 1 to k minus 2 or previous to k minus 2. So in order to update the weight at any hidden layer, we will make use of this values which we were using to update the weight vectors at the k minus second layer. Now what we have to do, we have to compute the error, okay, which is dou E by dou Wij k, okay, where capital for k, small k represents any k that ranges between layer 1 to k minus 2, okay. Any error function with respect to pik minus 1 can be rewrite like this. So let me denote by Wij. I can write this as here w del j k minus 1. I can replace this as del j k output oi k minus 1, okay. Let this we have rewritten from this result. I have rewrite this. Now I can write what is del jk from this, okay. I can write del jk as summation of j equal to 1 to mk plus 1 dou j k plus 1 Wij k plus 1 and then oi k 1 minus oi k, okay. From this term we can write what is del jk, okay. So from these two I have rewritten this. So let us understand what we are doing. This is actually the error. As I said that this is the error. The error is back propagated from layer k, okay, layer any k which is represented as k to its previous layer which is k minus 1. At which node? At the ith node. So which can be represented as oi. Similarly, when we expand this error, so when we expand this error, what it does is that it will take the summation of all the nodes, okay. When it takes the summation of all its summation, once again, as we were discussing that, suppose when we take a back propagation at this node, okay, from this node, from this node, from this node, it has to sum the error. So let's say this is del ik or del 1k, del 2k, del 3k, and all these error get summed up over here. That is what does here. So j ranges from 1 to mk plus 1 next layer, okay. To the next layer, whatever the error that is obtained is represented as dou j k plus 1. Every error or the error that is obtained at every node gets summed up. So this summation does that multiplied with its corresponding weight vector, and then it is multiplied by its local derivative of the sigmoidal function. So this is the ith node. So the local derivative of the sigmoidal function which takes of this form, which is oik 1 minus oik. So this is what we are doing, okay. We are summing up the error that has obtained from the next layer to here, get multiplied by its local derivative, and then it get passed to its any node, okay. When we calculate this node, let's say ith node, this also gets error from all its node in the next layer to this layer and so on. So this is what we are doing in the hidden layer. So this is the total error. This total error at the k plus 1th layer from all the node gets back propagated to the ith node in the previous layer. We can say previous layer as k here. Okay. So in general, I can write something like this. The output node represented as k, previous node k minus 1, next to that, next to previous is k minus 2, and all up to, let's say, small k plus 1 and then kth layer. If you are updating the weight at the kth layer, this is what it does. Okay. So initially the error gets back propagated from k to k minus 1, then k minus 1 to k minus 2, all up to this, and then k plus 1 to k. While you update the weight at the kth layer, all the error gets accumulated from all the node at the k plus 1th layer to k, and then from k to k minus 1th layer all the way up to the input layer. This is what we are doing in the back propagation. So considering this for any k, the last step is to update the weight. So the weight updation for any hidden layer which is represented as small k as follows. Wij k. What is ij? Ij is a node I and node j. Okay, so as we said that node I and then node j, and then this is at the kth layer, a weight wij, which is getting connected to the next layer where it gets connected. So in order to update that weight wij, so we are doing, take the previous weight wij minus the learning rate and derivative function of dou e with respect to dou wij. Okay. Now when we rewrite this, what we obtained is wj small k wij, the old weight minus learning rate. This has been given as this one. Okay. So del j k multiplied by oi k minus 1. So the meaning is that error at the kth layer get propagated to the k minus 1th layer. So this is the weight updation rule for any hidden layer. Okay. With this, all the derivative of the multi-layer perceptron is completed. So in shortly, what we were seeing in 3 classes, we have learned weight updation rule at the output layer. We have updated the weight between the k to k minus 1 and then k minus 1 to k minus 2, and then we have extended the same idea for the generalization purpose for any k hidden layer which is represented as small k, and this is the weight updation rule for any hidden layer. Okay. So with this I'll stop here today, and then let us discuss this backpropagation learning example of multi-layer perceptron with some example in the next class. Thank you.